Welcome to a journey through the inspiring world of upcycled wood decor, where creativity meets sustainability to transform the past into present beauty. In today's fast-paced society, where consumerism often leads to waste, upcycling offers a refreshing alternative. By reimagining discarded wood from various sources, be it old furniture, shipping pallets, or reclaimed building materials, we can create stunning decor that is not only functional but also rich in character and history. This approach allows us to craft unique pieces that enhance our living spaces while minimizing our environmental footprint, making our homes a reflection of our values and creativity. As we explore into the various ways upcycled wood can enhance modern interiors, we invite you to explore the endless possibilities that lie within this sustainable practice. From rustic furniture that serves as a centerpiece to artistic wall decor that sparks conversation, each creation tells a story of transformation and renewal. Upcycling wood is not merely about repurposing materials, it is about embracing a lifestyle that values craftsmanship, individuality, and a deep respect for the environment. Join us in discovering how to infuse your home with the beauty of the past while contributing positively to the future. We hope you found inspiration in the innovative ways to transform old materials into beautiful, functional pieces for your home. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more creative ideas that celebrate sustainability and craftsmanship, be sure to stay tuned until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates, like this video to show your support, and share it with friends and family who might also appreciate the art of upcycling. Together, we can inspire others to embrace creativity and sustainability in their homes, crafting a brighter future for our planet one unique piece at a time. Upcycling has emerged as a transformative trend in home decor, offering a creative way to repurpose materials that might otherwise end up in landfills. By reimagining old wood from various sources, like pallets, furniture, or reclaimed structures, homeowners can craft unique decor items that blend functionality with artistry. This practice not only supports sustainability but also imbues living spaces with character and history. The beauty of reclaimed wood lies in its rich texture and patina, which tell a story of its past life. Each piece is unique, featuring variations in color, grain, and wear that add depth to home decor. Whether it's sourced from historic buildings or old barn wood, reclaimed timber brings a sense of warmth and authenticity to modern interiors, making it a sought-after material among designers and homeowners alike. Furniture made from upcycled wood offers both style and functionality. Dining tables crafted from old beams or rustic coffee tables made from shipping pallets can serve as stunning focal points in any room. These pieces not only provide practical use but also celebrate the craftsmanship involved in their creation. A well-designed piece can bridge the gap between modern aesthetics and traditional charm, making it suitable for various decor styles. Upcycling wood for wall art is a fantastic way to introduce unique artistic elements into a home. Using scraps of wood, artists can create everything from abstract designs to intricate murals that add visual interest to walls. This form of decor allows for personal expression and creativity, making it possible to curate a space that reflects individual taste while showcasing the beauty of upcycled materials. Wall art made from reclaimed wood not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of a room but also serves as a conversation starter, inviting guests to appreciate the artistry behind each piece. Lighting fixtures made from upcycled wood can dramatically enhance the ambience of a room. Pendant lights, chandeliers, and floor lamps crafted from reclaimed wood not only illuminate spaces but also serve as artistic statements. These fixtures can bring a rustic charm to modern homes, combining functionality with an aesthetic that celebrates sustainability and creativity. By incorporating unique designs and finishes, upcycled wood lighting can transform an ordinary space into something extraordinary, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Small decorative items made from upcycled wood can significantly impact home decor. Picture frames, coasters, and trays crafted from reclaimed wood offer eco-friendly options for personalizing spaces. These accents can easily blend into existing decor, allowing homeowners to introduce sustainable elements without overwhelming their design. They also make thoughtful gifts, highlighting the beauty of craftsmanship and environmental responsibility. Incorporating these small pieces can enhance the overall look of a room while promoting a commitment to sustainable living. Incorporating nature into home decor is easy with upcycled wood planters. These can be made from old crates, barrels, or even repurposed furniture. Using reclaimed wood for planters not only adds a rustic touch to indoor or outdoor spaces but also provides a sustainable way to showcase plants. The natural textures of the wood complement greenery beautifully, creating inviting and lively environments. Upcycled wood planters can serve as both decorative and functional elements, fostering a connection between nature and interior spaces. Upcycled wood can be transformed into innovative storage solutions that are both practical and stylish. Shelves made from reclaimed wood provide a great way to display books, plants, or decorative items while keeping spaces organized. Creative storage boxes or bins crafted from old wood can add charm to a room while serving a functional purpose, helping to maintain a tidy and aesthetically pleasing environment. By integrating these solutions, homeowners can effectively combine style and organization, enhancing the overall functionality of their living spaces. In the kitchen, upcycled wood can be used to create a variety of functional items. Cutting boards, serving trays, and utensil holders crafted from reclaimed wood not only serve their practical purposes but also add a rustic flair to culinary spaces. These pieces can become conversation starters during gatherings, showcasing a commitment to sustainability and creativity in the heart of the home. By incorporating upcycled wood accessories, kitchens can exude warmth and personality, making them more inviting and enjoyable spaces for cooking and entertaining. The bathroom is another area where upcycled wood can make a significant impact. Shelving units, towel racks, and even mirrors framed with reclaimed wood can add warmth and charm to often sterile environments. These elements can transform a bathroom into a serene retreat, creating a spa-like atmosphere that promotes relaxation and rejuvenation. Upcycled wood decor in the bathroom not only enhances functionality but also contributes to a cohesive design that reflects a homeowner's commitment to sustainability and style. Upcycled wood is also ideal for enhancing outdoor living areas. Garden benches, picnic tables, and decorative fences made from reclaimed materials can create inviting and functional spaces for relaxation and entertainment. These outdoor items not only complement natural surroundings but also reinforce a commitment to sustainability and environmental stewardship. By utilizing upcycled wood in outdoor decor, homeowners can create harmonious spaces that encourage outdoor enjoyment while minimizing waste. One of the joys of working with upcycled wood is the opportunity for customization. Homeowners can embark on DIY projects to create personalized decor that suits their style. Whether it's painting, staining, or distressing the wood, the possibilities for customization are endless, allowing for a truly unique touch that reflects individual personality and taste. Engaging in these projects not only enhances creativity but also fosters a deeper connection to the decor, making it more meaningful and special. Upcycling often fosters a sense of community as individuals come together to share ideas, resources, and techniques. Workshops and local makerspaces provide platforms for enthusiasts to learn from one another, promoting creativity and collaboration. This communal aspect not only enhances the upcycling experience but also strengthens connections among individuals who value sustainability and craftsmanship. By participating in these communities, people can inspire each other, furthering the reach and impact of upcycled decor. Engaging in upcycling not only beautifies homes but also contributes positively to the environment. By reducing waste and conserving resources, upcycling helps mitigate the impact of consumerism on the planet. Each piece of upcycled wood represents a commitment to sustainability, encouraging others to consider eco-friendly practices in their own lives. This movement towards sustainable living fosters a greater awareness of environmental issues, empowering individuals to make conscious choices that benefit both their homes and the planet. Understanding the history behind reclaimed wood can deepen appreciation for its beauty and significance. Many pieces of reclaimed wood originate from old barns, factories, or even historic homes that were once integral to local communities. Each plank carries with it a narrative, whether it's the story of the artisans who crafted it or the events that took place in the structures it once adorned. By incorporating reclaimed wood into home decor, individuals not only celebrate craftsmanship but also preserve a piece of history, creating a tangible connection to the past. Upcycling wood transcends mere functionality, often becoming a form of artistic expression. Many artisans and DIY enthusiasts see potential in every scrap of wood, transforming it into visually stunning works of art. Sculptures, intricate wall hangings, and even furniture pieces can showcase artistic flair while maintaining their practicality. This creative endeavor encourages people to think outside the box, envisioning how materials can be repurposed in innovative ways that challenge traditional notions of decor. When working with upcycled wood, the choice of paint and finish can significantly impact the overall aesthetic and sustainability of the project. Eco-friendly paints and finishes, such as natural oils and water-based products, allow homeowners to enhance the beauty of reclaimed wood while minimizing harmful chemical exposure. These products not only protect the wood but also maintain its natural beauty, allowing the unique characteristics of each piece to shine through. Choosing sustainable finishes aligns perfectly with the ethos of upcycling, reinforcing the commitment to environmentally friendly practices. The rise of the DIY movement has played a crucial role in popularizing upcycled wood decor. With countless online tutorials, workshops, and community events, individuals are empowered to take on projects that were once thought daunting. This democratization of creativity encourages experimentation and fosters a sense of accomplishment when transforming raw materials into something beautiful and functional. By embracing DIY culture, people can personalize their spaces while honing their skills and discovering the joy of creating with their own hands. While upcycled wood often evokes a rustic or traditional feel, it can also seamlessly fit into minimalist design aesthetics. Simple, clean lines and understated pieces crafted from reclaimed wood can add warmth to minimalist spaces without overwhelming them. A sleek dining table or a set of floating shelves can serve as functional focal points that enhance the overall design. This versatility demonstrates that upcycled wood can adapt to various styles, proving its relevance in contemporary decor. As the conversation around sustainability continues to grow, the future of upcycling looks promising. Innovations in design and materials are emerging, with more people recognizing the value of repurposing and reimagining waste. Future trends may include more collaborative projects, educational initiatives, and technological advancements that make upcycling more accessible. As awareness of environmental issues increases, the upcycling movement is likely to evolve, inspiring new generations to appreciate the beauty and potential in what was once considered discarded. Incorporating upcycled wood into home decor is more than just a trend, it's a lifestyle choice that celebrates creativity, sustainability, and individuality. From furniture to decorative accents, the possibilities are vast and inspiring. By embracing the beauty of upcycled wood, homeowners can craft spaces that are not only visually appealing but also rich in history and meaning, making a positive impact on both their lives and the environment. As we move forward, let us continue to explore and celebrate the endless potential of upcycled materials, transforming our homes into unique reflections of our values and creativity. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and inspiring as we explored the transformative potential of upcycled wood decor. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more creative ideas and sustainable practices, please consider subscribing to our channel for future updates. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in embracing creativity and sustainability in their own homes. Together, we can spread the message of upcycling and inspire others to craft beauty from the past.